Something strange happens when you hit 40, or even 50. You wake up and suddenly your knees sound like a bag of popcorn. Your metabolism? Slower than your Wi-Fi on a bad day. But what if I told you that aging doesn't have to mean decline? What if some of the things you blame on getting older aren't even caused by age at all? Let's dive in. Aging is inevitable, but how you age? That's up to you. There are biological, hormonal, and even environmental factors at play. Some you can't control, but a lot more than you think are within your power. Today, we're peeling back the layers of what really happens to your body as you age. From the science of telomeres to the truth about muscle loss and brain fog, we're exposing the myths and revealing what you can actually do to slow it all down. So if you're wondering why your body is changing, and more importantly, what you can do about it, stick around. The aging problem, what's really going on? Most people think aging means getting weaker, losing energy, and feeling less like yourself. But that's not exactly true. Yes, our bodies change as we get older. But not every change is inevitable, and a lot of what people assume is just aging is actually due to lifestyle habits catching up with them. Here are some big changes happening in your body right now. Telomeres are getting shorter. Think of telomeres like the plastic tips on shoelaces. They protect your DNA, but over time they wear down. When they get too short, your cells can't regenerate as well, leading to wrinkles, slower recovery, and even diseases like cancer. Hormones are declining. Testosterone and estrogen drop, leading to muscle loss, weight gain, and even mood swings. Your metabolism is slowing down. You burn fewer calories, making it easier to gain weight. But here's the kicker, this isn't just because of age. It's because of muscle loss, which you can prevent. Your brain is changing. Memory lapses? Mental fog? That's because your brain loses some of its ability to process information quickly. But research shows you can literally rewire your brain with the right habits. But here's the thing, aging is not a one-way ticket downhill. In fact, some people stay strong, sharp, and full of energy well into their 70s and 80s. The question is, how do they do it? Why some people age faster than others? Ever noticed how some people in their 50s look and feel better than people in their 30s? That's because aging isn't just about time, it's about habits. Let's break down the real reasons some people age faster than others. 1. Inflammation. Chronic inflammation speeds up aging, causing joint pain, brain fog, and even heart disease. The main culprits? Processed foods, sugar, and stress. 2. Poor sleep. Sleep is when your body repairs itself, flushes toxins from your brain, and rebuilds muscle. Skimp on sleep? You're speeding up aging. 3. Lack of strength training. Your body naturally loses muscle as you age. If you're not lifting weights, you're letting your metabolism slow down and increasing your risk of injury. 4. High stress. Chronic stress raises cortisol, a hormone that breaks down muscle, weakens your immune system, and speeds up aging. 5. Vitamin deficiencies. Most people over 40 don't get enough vitamin D, magnesium, and omega-3s, all essential for brain health, energy, and longevity. So if you feel like you're aging too fast, it's not just genetics, it's your daily habits. The good news? You can change them. How to slow down aging and even reverse some of it. Now, let's talk solutions. Here's what science says about slowing down aging and staying strong, sharp, and energized for decades. 1. Strength train like your life depends on it, because it does. Lifting weights isn't just for bodybuilders, it's essential for staying young. Studies show that strength training increases testosterone, prevents muscle loss, and boosts metabolism. What to do? Lift weights 3 to 4x per week. Focus on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and push-ups. Prioritize protein, aim for 1 gram per pound of body weight to fuel muscle growth. 2. Eat for longevity. Your diet can literally slow down aging at a cellular level. Best anti-aging foods. Berries, packed with antioxidants that protect your cells. Leafy greens help fight inflammation and keep your brain sharp. Wild-caught salmon, loaded with omega-3 south for brain health and heart protection. Eggs and grass-fed meat, essential for testosterone production and muscle maintenance. Bone broth, rich in collagen, which keeps your skin, joints, and gut healthy. Foods to avoid. Processed sugar increases inflammation and wrinkles. Vegetable oils. These damage your cells and speed up aging. Alcohol in excess kills testosterone, damages your liver, and weakens immunity. 3. Prioritize sleep. Like it's your job. Want to age faster? Sleep less. Studies show that just 1 week of poor sleep can make your body biologically older. What to do? Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Sleep in a cold, dark room to boost melatonin. Avoid screens 90 minutes before bed to protect deep sleep. 4. Reduce stress before it kills you. Chronic stress literally shrinks your brain, damages your heart, and accelerates aging. Fix it by walking outside daily. Nature reduces cortisol. Practicing deep breathing slows down your nervous system. Cutting toxic people and negativity, your body responds to stress like it's under attack. 5. Upgrade your mindset and keep learning. Your brain has something called neuroplasticity. It can keep growing if you challenge it. Try this. Read daily. Keeps your mind sharp. Learn new skills. Playing an instrument, learning a language, or even puzzles keep your brain young. Stay socially active. Loneliness speeds up aging. Connect with people who inspire you. Final thoughts. You have more control than you think. Aging is not just about time, it's about how you treat your body. If you want to stay strong, sharp, and full of energy, lift weights and eat right. Sleep like your life depends on it. Manage stress and keep learning. Surround yourself with good people and good habits. The choice is yours. If you want more tips on staying young and strong, watch this next video right here.